Imagine this, a commute that's not just eco-friendly, but also super affordable, efficient, and stylish. Sounds too good to be true. Well, Tata has just made it a reality with their Tata EV Cycle. Say goodbye to petrol bikes and cars, and let's dive into why this electric cycle is the ultimate game changer for your daily commute. First off, let's talk about cost. The Tata EV CONTINO bicycle is priced at just around 38,599 Indian rupees. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's not exactly pocket change. But think about it, while petrol prices are skyrocketing, this cycle lets you zip around for just a few rupees per charge. Over time, you'll save thousands on fuel and maintenance. This isn't just a cycle, it's a statement. By choosing the Tata EV Cycle, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a cleaner, greener planet. No emissions, no pollution, just pure, clean energy. The Tata EV Cycle isn't just about going green, it's packed with smart features. Now let's talk about efficiency. The Tata EV Bicycle comes with an electric assist feature, making uphill rides and long distances a breeze. The battery lasts up to 60 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for your daily commute or running errands. Plus, it charges in just 2 to 3 hours. Safety is a top priority. With LED lights for night rides, anti-skid tires, and a durable frame, you're in good hands. Whether you're riding on city roads or rough terrains, this cycle ensures stability and confidence. Worried about maintenance? Tata offers a comprehensive warranty and hassle-free servicing. With a widespread service network across India, you're never far from assistance. Plus, the low maintenance cost of an electric cycle is another reason to ditch your petrol vehicle. So what are you waiting for? It's time to rethink your daily commute. The Tata EV Bicycle isn't just a product, it's a revolution. It's affordable, eco-friendly, efficient, and stylish. Why spend thousands on petrol when you can ride smarter and greener? Make the switch today and be a part of the change. If you're as excited as I am about these EV bicycles, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's ride into a greener future together. One disclaimer, this video is not sponsored, and I'm not affiliated with any brand. For accurate details, please check the official websites of manufacturers like Tata and others.